latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Stalemate continues in Rajasthan political crisis as Sachin Pilot is yet to announce his next step. Congress has asked Sachin Pilot and rebel MLAs to leave Haryana resort and return to Jaipur. Ousted Rajasthan Deputy Chief Minister Sachin Pilot is yet to take a decision on his next course of action. Sachin Pilot had ruled out joining BJP on the 15th of July. Over a dozen MLAs in Sachin Pilot's camp are said to be reluctant to join the BJP. Rajasthan BJP Core Committee is expected to hold a meeting in Jaipur today. Former Chief Minister Vasundhara Raje to attend the meeting. Vasundhara Raje has been keeping mum and not commented on the latest developments. BJP leaders to discuss the current developments and take decision on the next course of action. Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot managed to retain most of the MLAs with him. Ashok Gehlot is planning to expand his cabinet even though the uncertainty over government's stability continues. BJP leaders are planning to seek floor test in the assembly. Leader of opposition Gulab Chand Kataria said Gehlot must prove majority in the House before expanding his cabinet. Congress leaders admit that the government is in a delicate position and Gehlot needs to do a lot of balancing acts. Gehlot had been cautioning the party high command over possible coup in the party supported by BJP. The Congress High Command stood by Gehlot despite Pilot's proximity to Gandhi family. Party leaders appreciate the way Ashok Gehlot handled the rebellion. Former Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Digvijay Singh hinted at Vasundhara Raje's displeasure over the induction of Sachin Pilot into the BJP.
Is there a possibility of a reverse swing by Vasundhara ji? Who knows? We all know how much Modi ji and Vasundhara ji admire each other, and at the same time Ashok Gehlot is a trained magician. So one never knows when he would pull out a rabbit out of his hat.
Some BJP leaders are wary of Sachin Pilot's move after their failure in splitting NCP in Maharashtra. Ajit Pawar had joined hands with the BJP but returned to NCP fold after he failed to get the sufficient number of MLAs. Rajasthan Speaker CP Joshi had issued notices to Sachin Pilot and 19 MLAs who skipped Congress legislature party meeting. Sachin Pilot and his supporters are accused of violating party whip and thereby inviting disqualification under anti-defection law. The rebel MLAs are expected to approach High Court or Supreme Court if Speaker disqualifies them. Meanwhile, Rajasthan police named 3 more people in the probe over plot to topple Ashok Gehlot government. The police have already arrested 2 people for allegedly conspiring to topple the government. The 3 people booked in the case allegedly financed the 2 arrested people and others to topple the government. Ashok Gehlot claimed his team had proof that Congress MLAs were lured to destabilize his government.